Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Inga here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're new, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you're returning, welcome back to my faithful subscribers. And we're doing a lip gloss base from scratch right here, as you can see me swatching it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Sit back, relax, and let's get on with the rest of this video. So I'm going to be using the double broiler method here, and this is 20 grams of fractionated coconut oil. And next I am going to be using a teaspoon of almond oil, and after that you'll see me pour in a teaspoon of castor oil. So later in this video I'll just let you guys know where I got this formulation from. Next, I'm going to be adding the cocoa butter. So it came in like little chunks. So it's about 5 little chunks that I added. And also I'm not wearing any gloves here because I don't have any heat-proof gloves to wear for this section. So if you're just wondering, let me just drop that in there. And next I will be adding some beeswax. Now I think this is where I went wrong because the beeswax solidified it, and we will see that later down in this video, but just keep watching. So next we're using this thickening agent. It's called hydrogenated vegetable oil. It's called Lipthix, if you guys heard about that. So since we don't have the lip gloss base, we need something to thicken this thing up. So this is gonna stabilize and thicken this consistency. Okay, so I think I used like 8 to 10 drops of this if you're counting, and this little scuba thing that I'm using here is like half a teaspoon. Okay, so I'm just gonna give this a little stir, and we're gonna get this baby rolling. So I know you guys always ask me, where do I get my little cuppies or my little mini measuring cups from? I got these little ceramic jar-like cups from Walmart again, and we're just going to be adding the lip gloss mixture in this and mixing everything in a couple of these. So I'm just gonna go here and put on the gloves, and then we're gonna just check out our mixture to see what's going on with it. I see this is where I noticed that it started to solidify, so I'm like, it seemed to be okay until I rested down for a few more minutes, and that's when I realized, like, hey, I should not have used the beeswax. OMG. So we're gonna see how best we can fix this. Okay, so I'm gonna add some vitamin E into this mixture, and this is a lip liquid that I mixed. It's like a brown. If you want the recipe to that, then just comment below for that lip liquid mixture, and we can do something like that in another video or something. So there you have it. As you can see, it's the consistency, it's getting a little thicker, but it's still very soft. And I am gonna show you guys what I did when it hardened. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I got out of that, and I was like, oh my gosh, because I really wanted the formulation for this particular thing. So keep watching. So I added it into that mixture, and we're just gonna be mixing it around and see where we get from here. So this is it here after a few more minutes. As you can see, it got hard, but what I did was I got the hydrogenated polyisobutane, and I added some flavoring so this mixture can loosen up. And guess what, guys, it worked. It worked. So when you're doing stuff like this, you know what works and what doesn't work. So yeah, there you have it. So I'm just gonna keep loosening it up a little bit, and then we'll go from there. So it's at a consistency that I would like it to be, and I'm just gonna put them in these cute little tubes that I got as samples from one of my vendors. And if you guys watch any of my videos, you know that I have a vendor that I spoke about before in one of them. And yeah, this is one of the tubes. I'm not a fan of it. It's like, I really like the bigger chunk tubes that picks up everything, like all of the gloss. So, but I thought this tube is cute. I might consider using these in the future. So I'm pouring it in like so, okay? I'm not using a syringe. So after I'm done pouring that in there, I'm just gonna add the stopper to this, and then we're gonna just seal this. I'm also gonna be doing a swatch for you guys right now with this so we can see what's going on. So as I swatched it, it's a very lightweight. That's because we don't have that heavy gloss base, and this tube is not like scooping out a lot. So I really like the thicker tubes anyway. So I will see. So it's giving a nice glaze. I think I like it a little bit. Yeah, and that's how it looks. I ever wanted to make a quick base at home. Well, I got this formulation, but she didn't give the formulas because she said it belonged to someone else from Tara Lee. So you can go and check out her channel. I'll have it either listed in the description box below, or you can see her name going across this video. Okay, so we would like to give everyone their props. Okay, we just cannot come on and say we got a formula and not mention who we got it from. Although the formula is not in this, I did it like from my usual formulation. So, but we just have to give people their props. Okay, so yeah, you can go and check out our channel. She does a lot of stuff. Yeah, so for those of you who are not into that bold type look or the heavy makeup look, this is a very beginner friendly version of a lip gloss that you can do at home for yourself. Some of you, I guess, do not have e-commerce stores, so this will be a good way for you to start your business as an entrepreneur. I taught you about the carrier oils, the thickeners in this video, and the butter, which is like beginner friendly. So if you guys can follow this example, I think it will be beneficial still if you, yeah, would want to follow this example. And oh, wait. This is the bonus section. So right here, this is what we created with the hardening of that mixture. A nice lip mask like the Laneige. I am telling you, I got two great products and set out just to do one. But this is the perfect lip mask and I just cannot stop using it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in my next video, okay? Bye-bye.